Welcome to Igbo Land News today. Abia politics. Obidients wants Otti to join ADC. Some political groups in Abia State called Obidients are telling Governor Alex Otti to join the African Democratic Congress ADC. They say that if Otti is in ADC, all his supporters will vote together instead of splitting votes between parties. This will make it harder for the former governors Ojo Zokalo Theodore Oji Okezie Bazo to come back in 2027. And the Obedients are also saying, Otti has done good work. He deserves to continue. Don't let old leaders take the state back. Joining ADC could make Otti stronger politically and show people he is ready to fight for the state without being tied down by the old parties. Basically, they are saying, Otti, come join us so we can beat the old governors who reigned the state before. Ubani backs Otti. Abia not going back to Egypt, according to him. Big lawyer Monday Ubani publicly said he supports Otti for re-election. He praised Otti for things like fixing roads, improving healthcare, paying workers on time, making the state safer. Ubani said people don't want to go back to the old bad days, which he called Egypt, meaning old leaders who mismanaged Abia before. He also said that Otti's success is something God approves of, which shows his support goes beyond politics into religion. People are saying, we have seen progress under Otti. We don't want to go back to how things used to be. This gives Otti more credibility, especially among educated and religious people, and can make more voters support him in 2027. Let's move to Ebonyi State. Ebonyi donates land for army depot. Ebonyi State government gave 618 hectares of land to the Nigerian army for new training depot in the southeast. Why is this land important? It increases security presence in the region. It increases jobs and business opportunities for locals. It shows the state working with federal government to protect the area. Officials said the project will train more soldiers and help keep people safe. The army is coming to town. People get jobs, business, get money, and the state gets better. This could boost the governor's image and make people feel the government is taking action on safety and development.
As the Chief Executive of Abia State, Ebonyi, I fully and without reservation that hand over all that parcel of land situated Amasri at Amangweda in Nafipo local government area of Abia State, Nigeria, containing an area of 618,926 hectares as mentioned earlier, described in the schedule annexed here, and more particularly marked by a border vet with plan number EPF 018A, tracing number EPCF 010A, for the purpose of establishing Nigerian Army Training Institution Centers, Southeast Zone, Abia State, Ebonyi.
Now to Anambra State. Anambra masquerade attacks resident. In Obu community, Anambra State, a masquerade Agaba started attacking residents during a festival. The video went viral online, showing him chasing people, hitting motorcyclists, attacking people on stage, throwing objects, causing panic. The police quickly arrested the masquerader and said they will investigate others involved. You know, some people use caution as excuse to act wild. Police had to step in and stop the madness. This shows that even cultural traditions have limits. Public safety matters more. It also highlights that police are paying attention when people are harmed. Moving on to Imo State, Imo residents suffering from power outage. In Imo State, people are facing bad electricity supply. Many areas have no steady power, and the promise of reliable electricity from last year didn't happen. Most people now rely on generators or solar panels, which are expensive. Only a small percentage can afford them. HURIWA, Human Rights Writers Organization, a civil rights group, criticized the government, saying, people are paying too much just to see at night or run businesses. The state should focus on power, roads, and safety. People stay in darkness, generators cost money, solar panels too. Life is harder because the government didn't deliver. Hope Uzodinma's government did not deliver. And this weakens trust in government. It makes people frustrated and can affect support in future elections. A recap, Abia State politics heating up. Otti popular. Old leaders want back, Ebonyi, army coming, jobs and safety improving. Anambra, wild cultural behavior checked by police. And Imo, power problem continues. People angry. Life becoming expensive. Some states are seeing progress, others are still struggling. Politics, safety, and services will all affect voters' feeling in 2027. What do you think? Add your comment to the comment section. If you like Igbo Land News, tell us on the comment section below. Please don't fail to share, subscribe. I'm Azuka Oji. I say bye-bye for now.